We have come to say our last goodbyes to Woody Woodpecker and Company. By the way, hello Brocat Nation! How are you doing? Huh? Did you become a member yet and want to pay my... No, I'm just teasing you. But yeah, I'm glad to have you along. It's going to be fun. We're going to go see the last hurrah Barney and Woody Woodpecker's Nut House coaster to Fievels and stuff. And so I'm going to start the day by walking through Hard Rock Hotel. So let's go. Come on. Come on, it'll be fun. Brocat Nation! In Hard Rock. Into the lobby. I'm using the back mic this time so you can see everything. Up the counter area there, it's cool. Lots of memorabilia. Probably my favorite thing about this place, because I'm a goon, is the staircase here. Always loved this. We've stayed here once and I'm going to stay here again coming up in December, I think, but the staircase is the best. Kitchen, marketplace. So I usually hit this door and go out. Here's your Hard Rock. So what's the reason that you would think that Brocat goes in through the Hard Rock? Do you know? What do you think? It's not because of that laugh. The Hard Rock is the closest hotel to Universal Studios. So it's the closest hotel to Universal Studios. And you can come in through Hard Rock, Uber to Hard Rock, and then walk over there because it's the closest hotel to it. It only takes a few minutes, maybe 5, maybe 10 if you're in Brocat shape, to get there. You can take the water taxi, but it takes a while to wait. So this is it. Garden path. We're gonna probably speed this up, get to the entrance. Oh, it takes you out here. And we're gonna see if we can get in and check out the Nut House coaster. Because we're nutty. We're just Nut House. Got your SpongeBob store, your restrooms, they're not going to close. E.T.'s not going to close. But yeah, your Woody Woodpecker's going away. You're going to miss all this. And then your Fievels Playland. So we'll take a walk through Fievels. All this crazy wetland. Shrek's swamp meat is going away. All these stars. DreamWorks destination, which is fine. They're going to do something different with it. What do you think they're going to do? But yeah, you come in here, this used to be where Barney was. Barney was right here. It was right here. Barney was right there. Remember that? Well, I love you. And you had 5 over there. I'm going to try to do Woody's Rock House roller coaster. Or you could read a book. You could read a book. Curious George. Animal show is postponed indefinitely. But this is where the kids could come and play. One of the only areas in Universal where the kids could come and play. Street lights are on. It's almost dark. Old Fievels Playland. And Curious George Land is here. Where you can see yourself through special delivery. You get soaked in here. My cameras are gonna get soaked. I just know it, but we're just gotta do it. for Fievels and Curious George in his Playland. But here you go, going away. Kinds of stuff back here. We got the ball Playland in here. We have the ball factory. It's all going away. They've decided in January that this is going to be it. I mean, what else is there? You could come here and have a blast. All the water. Oh, he's not going to do it. He thought about it! I know he thought about it. So yeah, there you go. That's your Nut House coaster over here. I'm going to try to ride it. Let's head over here. So it's dark. It's the only time I could make it. And then Curious George up at the top. You've got the end. The end. Because he went to town and it's over. So anyway, they're replacing KidZone. We don't know what's going to be here. Do you? Anyway, your KidZone in the dark. People are closing out their day. But I think we're going to ride the Woody's Woodhouse Nut Coaster and see how that goes. Last hurrah of Woody's Nut House Coaster. Very nutty. And then the Fievels Playland. At night, if any of this comes out. Yes! Woo! One more spin. And that's pretty good.
OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond after.
Goodbye, Curious George. Playland.
Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW. On my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. On my way, on my way. They wanna judge me, I'll testify. Catch me on Insta, I'm verified. They want me quiet, I amplify. I'm on my way to the best thing that you've ever seen. You know that you bow to the queen. You lose all your senses and reason. I'll give you something to believe.
We've ridden it at night. We've ridden it in the day. This is it. We wanted to say farewell. This is going to be it. We tried our best to ride it at night and see how it would go, and it went fine. So now we're going to try to find some other stuff. But yeah, Fievels Playland, where my first kid ever went and had fun. So All right, we're out.
You. OMW, nothing left to prove. So enjoy the view, taking a picture like Malibu. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home, I'm on my way, on my way.
Got to feel in heaven when my lover's near. Lord, let this moment last for another year. Though today has ended, the night's still young, I'd say. Lover, don't go away. Let it be the thing that I am longing for. Let's fly out from Manhattan to the California shore, just to watch the ships at night on the San Francisco Bay. Oh, lover, please, please stay. Don't say you have to go. Don't say you need to run. I'll stop the clock on Central Station and we can have a drink downtown. Let it be the night that I am longing for. Let's fly down south to Austin or to Ecuador, just to drink pina colada on a hot, wet summer's day. Oh, lover, please, please stay.
Next year, if I have 5,000 followers, I'm gonna wear this. So if you can find 5,000 people to follow, then you can see me in that, and you really.
Don't say you have to go. Don't say you need to run. I'll stop the clock on Central Station and we can have a drink downtown. Let it be the night that I've been longing for. Let's fly down south to Austin or to Ecuador, just to drink pina colada on a hot, wet summer's day. Oh, lover, oh, lover, oh, lover, please, please stay. Please stay. Please stay.
Join, become a member, and you'll get extra content. I've got the video of Walt's apartment. And anyway, if you want to see that. So, this is your Brocat saying goodbye from me and Hello Kitty.